On Monday, two prominent businessmen, Moses Mpofu and Mike Chimombi, faced the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission. The reason? A staggering $100 million ZACC contract scandal and the misappropriation of ZWL 1.6 billion. But here's the kicker: after their brief interview, they were excused. And the ZACC officer didn't even touch on the $40 million ZACC tender. Instead, they simply said, "I'll call you when I need you." This isn't just a minor oversight, it's a glaring example of how deep corruption runs in our government institutions. How can we trust a system that hesitates to hold the powerful accountable? Join us as we continue to uncover the layers of this scandal. Zimbabwe deserves transparency, justice, and a future free from corruption. And what do you think about this? Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Also, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.